Take a moment to check out the 2023 Nissan Altima. This well-equipped Altima delivers big on style and substance. Spacious comfort, active safety and infotainment tech, available all-wheel drive and athletic performance set this family-friendly midsize sedan apart from the competition. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.